Welcome to Your Cyber Path, the podcast that helps you get your dream cybersecurity job by sharing the secrets of experienced hiring managers and top cybersecurity professionals with you. Now, on to the show.
So one of the things we thought would be interesting to talk about is how can I use this as a job hunting tool or to craft my resume or other things like that? What are some things you think are good use cases for using something like ChatGPT as you're on the search for job hunting or even once you're in your career?
Yeah, absolutely. Very powerful for this. Because it's such a great copywriter, it's certainly helpful for, rewriting key points within your resume. If you've got a resume with summary statement and a few bullet points and you want to adjust the writing style so that it's more professional or in a particular tone, it's great for that. But I think the powerful part, particularly for job hunters who need to apply for things, 3 or 4 times a day and scale that operation up to increase their odds, is the personalization component. So you can go to the job ad, copy and paste all of the requirements of the ad, paste it into ChatGPT with a prompt that says, act as my career coach, or, help me to find a particular job. I'll be applying for X number of jobs, and I need assistance with crafting a personalized resume to those jobs. Below, I'll be pasting the job description of a job for this company. This is the title. And below that, I'll be asking you to adjust the dot points of my resume to that job description to pull out the key things within my resume that relevant to the job description and retailor those dot points, remembering the context of the description. So
that's so cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to point out...
We tell people to do that by hand now.
Yep. Yeah. And the thing I want to point out is, if you notice, dear listeners, what Sean just said, right? The way he just spoke to us is how you would write it in ChatGPT. You would tell it, I want you to act as my career coach. You're going to help me rewrite my resume. Here's my resume, : paste it in. Here's the job description, : paste it in. Now, rewrite my resume for this particular job, hit enter. And within 15 seconds, you now have a new resume written for you that is based on all those keywords it's finding in there, which means if the AI sees it, when you apply for it, the AI systems that are scanning your resume are also going to catch it. And that's going to help you get through some of those HR filters. So it's really critical when you do this. And the nice thing is, once you set this up like this, and you have that chat string, you could say, do it again, but for this job, do it again, but for this job. And you can, in 10 minutes, have 20 or 30 different resumes created for 20 or 30 different jobs that you need to apply for. And so it's a really great time saver that way. And again, you can read through it, make sure it makes sense to you. The other thing I really like using it for resumes like this is, I don't know about you guys, but I struggle a lot writing about myself and saying all the wonderful, great things I've done, or I tend to be very boisterous and talk a lot or type out way too much. Go figure, right, Kip? I know Kip's giving you a look right now. No, really, Jason, you talk too much. Yes, I do. And so, if I have, a lot of us struggle. We're like, hey, I was at this job for 5 years and I have 3 paragraphs of information on it. Give that to ChatGPT and say, what are the 2 or 3 bullet points I should create from this paragraph? And it will do that for you. And so it's really good at summarizing and helping you in that type of stuff.